أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this session, I'm going to introduce a new AI tool for helping us write our literature. The tool is AnswerThis.io. Now to access it, what you need to do is you need to visit AnswerThis.io. Now with the advent of AI, research and researchers have been using the AI tools increasingly. Now, it's very important to understand the use of these AI tools for our research. Now, we have to use them very intelligently and complement it with our learning of the basics and the science of research. Now, once we understand how our literature review should be written, once we understand the necessary ingredients of a literature review, we can use these tools to help us in our research studies and make them more comprehensive and critical. Now, sometimes, since we do not have enough time searching every single database, these AI tools can seriously help us identifying the critical literature. Now, for example, previously I've done a video on the ingredients of research or literature review. Now, let's say this is my example and this is the model that I want to test. Now, there are several relationships here that I am planning to assess. Now, for instance, I'm looking for literature and I want to write more about servant leadership and career commitment, or servant leadership with employment at work, or for that matter, the ultimate dependent variable of life satisfaction. Now, what I can do with AnswerThis.io is, let's say if I ask answer this and I move here and write, how is servant leadership related to life satisfaction? Let's see what we get. Now, we can have some citations. Let's say we are looking for at least 10 citations. We can do web search as well if you want, but for now I'm going to stick to research papers, and we can choose databases as well. So Symantec, OpenLX, PubMed, all other databases you can select, and you can have dates as well. For now, I'm just going to submit my search and let's see what we get. Now, it's going to take some time. Now, what it does is it gathers the sources, analyzes the key themes, synthesizes the information, and gives you the results. Now, do not just copy and paste the results. In order to make best use of these tools is to read the results and see how they fit in your research and use them accordingly. Now, these AI tools are very advantageous in helping us draft critical information and synthesize the research papers. But we have to use them intelligently. First, we have to learn what is a research paper, what are the key ingredients and elements of a research paper, and then we have to use these AI tools to our advantage. Now, here is the relationship between servant leadership and life satisfaction, a comprehensive review. Now, you can go through this and you've got these references here as well. Now, read through this document, try to identify what fits in your research and use it to your advantage. Now, I've got my paper here, then I've got some other papers here as well. Now, some of the PDFs may be available while others not. You can just click on this DOI or copy this title in Google Scholar and get the full paper. Now, here is the PDF available. Let's see what we've got here. So what it does is it synthesizes information from all these other papers, and that we can use in our research. Now, more than this, it gives you all the other papers that may be available which you might not have access to, or which you might have missed while doing your own search. Now, here is that PDF. Now, moving on, let's go back. Now, we've got chat with PDF. So you can upload your PDF documents. Let's say if I've written some of my papers or most of my work is on leadership and knowledge management. So I can put in all my papers and ask the questions. Let me select a few papers on knowledge management. Let's say 1, 2, let me do one more. Now it's setting up my chat. Okay, we can select different papers. So let's chat with the paper. What are the research limitations? Let's see what we get in terms of the chat. Now here are the limitations. Now similarly you can chat with other papers as well. Moving on, let's look at the extraction of data. So you can again upload PDF and extract data from PDFs as well. And similarly, finally, you can search papers as well. Let's say if I'm working on something that has very little research. So servant leadership and project success, and let's search. Okay, it's asking for the plans. So you can obviously get a plan. You can have the free forever one, but it is very limited. So the popular choice is $22, and you can have all these options available to you. So this is how you can use AnswerThis.io for your research. These tools, these AI tools are recommended and people have been using it to their advantage. But again, my suggestion, my recommendation is always that couple it, complement it with your reading. The more you read, the more you understand, the more you can use these tools to your advantage. Otherwise, they will not give you any advantage unless or until you have read enough. So couple it, complement it with your reading. Enjoy using AnswerThis.io. Thank you very much.